Today we are taking a quick look at the OLIGHT i1R2 EOS. This is one of the best micro flashlights on the market, in my humble opinion. This is the OLIGHT i1R2 EOS. And if you know your flashlights, you know that OLIGHT makes some pretty awesome gear. So this is a keychain light. You can see that little key ring right there. So that's gonna go right onto your keys. And this is super light. You can hardly even feel it. But do not let the weight fool you. This thing packs a pretty good punch. This thing can fire up to 150 lumens in this tiny little thing. Like, that's just mind blowing. It's got 2 brightness settings. So let's look at the first one. Now, this is the low setting right here. So this is only for small up close tasks where you don't need a ton of light. Where I think this is gonna come in super handy is for the folks that maybe don't have the best front porch light and you're sitting there fumbling with your keys and you're struggling. Well, you're just gonna pop on that little guy right there and problem solved. Now, if you really need a blast of light, you're gonna pop that onto the high setting right there, and that is 150 lumens. Yeah, really bright. Don't do that. Look at the size of that. Tiny and less than 5 ounces. You're not even gonna feel this on your keys. Or you could just throw it in your pocket, keep it in your glove box. I mean, whatever works best for you. This little thing will just come in so handy. Let's turn that off. So how do you charge it? All you gotta do is twist and it expands open to reveal the hidden USB port. And that just plugs right in there, and you can connect that to a charger. So pretty fantastic. The one thing that I might suggest to OLIGHT is to go with USB-C instead of the micro USB. USB-C has the capability to get a faster charge, but not a big deal. It charges up in about 45 minutes and you get about 6 hours of battery life. I have heard that OLIGHT is no longer shipping with the charging cable, so just FYI. They say they're trying to go green and maybe keep some costs down. So I can understand that, I can appreciate that. And I'm sure we all have a drawer full of USB cables just laying around waiting to be used. Now, price, $15 for the desert tan color. And if you go black, you're gonna spend about 18 bucks. I don't know why the black color makes it $3 more, but well, there you go. Personally, I love the desert tan. I think it's super cool. So if you guys are looking to pick up a nifty little gadget, I'm gonna put the link down in the video description below. So again, this was just a very short review. Hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Crush it if you so desire. That'll just help me to bring you guys more content. And of course, links are down in the video description below if you care to check those out. I'll see you guys on the next one, and happy camping.